district in Manipur, but it's very unique. Paoki is very unique in Manipur. That way, I can find such kind of festival in other parts of the state. I would like to appreciate all the Purul villagers, all the Purul's people, for what you still maintain the tradition that our forefather has done it. See, you know, Japan, this Second World War, Imphal better for whom? For what? We can't understand our forefathers. That's why I decided to camp in this village. I love it. I love the Purul village also. Last time also who knows their forefathers? Japan is very civilized. UK is very civilized. Why? They know their forefathers. They are following their forefathers' footprints. They are coming to Manipur. They pay their florid tributes to the Second World War cemetery. Who else in Manipur came to the war cemetery of Imphal? Who came in Manipur came to go to the Mabum Lok Pasing? We need to follow, we need to remember our forefathers. What I observe in this Paoki festival from the last year is that the people of Purul have been observing the traditions, what their forefather is following. During this Paoki festival, each every individual or a family or a community or a tourist, any other dignitaries present in the functions, they brought to the field, they planted it. This is very unique. It is not found in any part of our state. It is not found in the other part of the India also. That's why Paoki festival is very unique. That's why I have decided to come over to Purul and participated in this Paoki festival. This should be the proud moment for all the Purulians. Please maintain this tradition. This tradition. If you know your forefathers, what your forefathers did, you will be developed. Japan is developed. European countries is developed. Why? Because they know their forefathers. Our state can't, it is the only one. It is the only one in Manipur where all the villagers come out, participate in the plantation of the paddy. Because